In this video, we will show you how to make an awesomely cute 3D printed 8-bit style bookmark. The first step is to import the image we want to use into Inkscape, a free and open source vector graphics program, and choose Embed. Next, we have to trace the bitmap in order to create an importable vector graphic for Fusion 360. As you can see, this gives us two 8-bit mushrooms, the original bitmap and the vectorized version in black. We can delete the original for now. Next, we go into document settings and select the option to resize the page to our drawing. All we have to do now is save our file and we are ready for the next step in Fusion 360. First, we sketch out a 25 by 25mm rectangle and declare the profile as construction lines by pressing X on the keyboard. This helps as a size reference for our mushroom. The next step is to insert our previously created vector mushroom, and as we can see out of the box, the dimension is not quite where we would like it to be. We scale and shift the imported vector drawing to fit and remove the construction lines. After adding a center line, we commence creating a rectangle that will serve as the basis for our bookmark. We mainly use the symmetry constraint in conjunction with the rectangle and the offset tool to define the rest of our geometry. After that, we use the extrude command to create the mushroom body and the bookmark. Note that we have to set the sketch to visible after completing the first extrusion operation in order to be able to select the profile for the rest. After printing the mushrooms in white PLA, we used acrylic markers to color them in. The surface finish could certainly profit from some light sanding, but I think that the lack in refinement is more than compensated by the cuteness factor. We uploaded the STL files for the bookmarks to Thingiverse and Umagine, and encourage you to experiment and make your own. Some Space Invader themed bookmarks would also probably look fairly awesome. And that's about it for this video. See you next week.